viewers want this cloth color change trick on Capcut? Watch till the end. Slow down your clips. Apply chroma key dot to the outfit. Adjust to 18 for dot suitable result. Split clip to desired dot number. Now use the background dot feature to add color to each clip you splitted. Tweak chroma key dot amount to your choice, but set preferably 18 for better result.
Result.